Most people use BizBuySell like Zillow, and that's exactly why they overpay or buy the wrong business. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use BizBuySell the right way and not to chase shiny listings, but to evaluate real opportunities and avoid expensive mistakes. By now, you know what industry you're going to start with. That's where we start first. That doesn't change here in BizBuySell because you need to know what business you want to look for, what kind of business you're going to be in. It's where you test what you've already decided on. If you skip that step, BizBuySell becomes overwhelming fast, and overwhelming leads to bad decisions. Okay, I see a lot of buyers misuse this platform, not because it's bad, because they don't know what they're actually looking for or what to be skeptical of. Okay? I want to remind you, if you want help evaluating deals like this one with other serious buyers, the link below will take you to my free business buyer community, Firewatch Business Lab, on school.com. That's where we break down these listings together. When you're looking to buy a business, and let's face it, it's scary, right? We have fear of the decision. Am I making the right decision? Am I going to lose this money, real money I'm putting in here? Hey, can I even run the thing? I understand that that is real. BizBuySell is a marketplace, and that means a few important things. What it is a source of deal flow, a pricing reference point, a place to learn how businesses are presented for sale. What it is not a curated list of great deals to buy, a guarantee of quality, or a substitution of due diligence. Everything on BizBuySell is being marketed, and marketing always tells you the best possible story. No one is validating claims for you. No one is protecting you from the downside. Access does not mean safety. Before you click on any single listing, your filters matter more than the listings themselves, right? Key filters to think through, right? Your industry, you've already chosen that. Where you want to live, the location of the business, revenue range, the cash flow, how much is the owner involved? If you don't narrow this down, you'll spend hours scrolling, feeling productive, but make zero progress. Let me tell you, BizBuySell doesn't exhaust people, unstructured searching does. Filters protect your time, your energy, and your judgment. Here's where discipline comes in. You have to be skeptical of the asking price as a headline. Phrases like turnkey or easy to run. Perfect looking financials with no detail? Come on. Most listings on BizBuySell are broker listed. And that's not a bad thing, but you need to understand the incentives. A broker's job is to sell the business at the highest possible price. Your job is to decide whether it's worth buying. Your job is not to fall in love with the story. Your job is to question it. Instead of asking, do I like this business? Ask better questions. Focus on the owner's role day to day, customer concentration, length of time in business. Why are they selling? A listing tells you less by what it says and more by what it actually avoids telling you. If you can't clearly understand how the business actually runs from the description, that's a signal, not a challenge. Some listings are practice listings. Some are overpriced on purpose. Some owners aren't serious at all. BizBuySell gives you access, but access without judgment is dangerous. Buyer beware here doesn't mean be afraid. It means be responsible. No one else will do the thinking for you. No one else will do the due diligence for you. Nobody else will run and look at the analytics to see if this is a smart decision. BizBuySell works when it's paired with other strategies we've talked about. Use it alongside off-market outreach instead of it, right? Listed deals help you learn. Off-market deals often give you leverage. Now, together, they make you a smart buyer, not just a busier one. BizBuySell is a tool, not a strategy. When you use it with clarity, discipline, and healthy skepticism, it becomes incredibly valuable. When you don't, it becomes noise, or worse, an expensive lesson. If you want help reviewing listings like this, The link below will take you to my free business buyers community, Firewatch Business Lab on school.com. Bring your listing and we will look at it together, and you can look at it with other serious buyers. The next video you should watch is Flippa and how to use it the right way, because not all platforms are the same and knowing the difference matters. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the lab.